I deleted it because it wasn't doing anything. But see what it's doing right now. At this time, I think it's red.
I think it's yellow red.
How can you tell?
Which is what I'm guessing.
I'm betting it's red.
Because tomorrow's a holiday, I don't think there'll be a lot of trains tonight.
I think it'll be green.
I know, unless they celebrate it early, but...
Wait, no, I think it's going to be yellow red.
No, they still run trains, but not as many.
I think
That's true.
I think it's going to be yellow red.
Is it shouldn't have
Tell
done
me what
something?
it is.
I don't know, we're not there yet.
And it just looks like it's... What the heck is... It just looks like it's... What time is it? 10:30? Okay. It looks like there's something bright on the car center.
Yeah, my headlights.
Oh. What color is the other side?
I don't know.
Because there's usually green or red. If it's red, there's nothing coming north. If it's green, and this side's red. But
Like I said, I'm betting yellow red.
Back side, I think, is green.
that's this side.
Yellow, red.
Really?
I knew it.
Yep,
What?
yellow, red.
Is that a train right down there?
Can't tell, it might be.
Really?
But it can't go anywhere, apparently.
I think it's going maybe it's gonna go back to red in a minute.
I don't know.
It would die before it stopped, but
Why, you
it's
driving?
probably in the siding. I had to wait for it south.
I ain't waiting all night here.
Yeah, I know.
Dad,
What?
I just farted again.
You farted again?
Yeah.
I'm just saying it's possible. If the southbound's already passed, the northbound's gonna be next, because we'll see.
Okay, lucky news, it doesn't smell bad.
By the way, what time is it? 10? Fireworks! Fireworks!
Yep.
Let me see what 33 pound one is doing.
Well, that one's always green. I can't see what that's doing.
Huh?
I can't see what it's doing.
Well, which one?
33.
It's not 33, it's pound mark.
Whatever, same difference.
Sorry.
You know which one I mean.
Yeah, I
Right.
know, I'm sorry.
I'm not yelling at you.
I know. Was there a light back there, Val?
It might be, I can't tell what it is.
If it's a train, then it's probably in the siding. Did it look like a train to you? Or,
I can't tell.
look like it, it's just hard to tell. It might have been something, might have been that street light in Chesterfield.
Maybe.
I don't
know
think
why-
so, I don't think
I don't
so.
know why it would be a train if it's got a green signal and not moving.
Well, I know.
You know?
Yeah, it's yellow red, so.
Well, yeah, you would think it'd be red.
Yes, if it was coming, yeah, but I know it's confusing. There's a pizza place. Samoa's or whatever you call it.
Tolliver's pizza.
Quotes.
Tivoli's,
Tivoli's.
not Tolliver's.
Let's
Oh,
just see what Pamela's doing. I think it's green. There's a laundromat. What time is it, by the way?
Green. On that side is green.
green and yellow, red. What's that mean?
I don't know, but is there a train down there?
I can't tell.
Oh, I don't think so.
I can't tell. It might just be the siding light. I don't know.
Oh,